Hi, my name's Stuart Forrester. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Captial Metals, having joined the team approximately 1 year ago. A warm welcome and thanks to our existing shareholders, and hello to those who might be considering being part of our exciting journey. So who are we? Well, we're a mineral sands development company in Sri Lanka that's on a fast track plan to production and have an exciting resource upgrade in the works. I want you to remember three key messages from this presentation. One, there's a massive upside potential from our current ongoing drilling program. Two, we have a very high in situ grade, which makes life easy and de-risks our project in multiple areas. And we are by far the most advanced mineral sands project in Sri Lanka. In terms of a project overview, we have a phenomenal grade at 17.6% total heavy mineral and an existing JORC resource of 17.2 million tonnes, which really is just the beginning. Importantly, we have approved environmental impact assessment, and possibly more importantly, we have 2 approved mining licenses. We've been working with the engineering firm Mineral Technologies, an expert in mineral sands, and an in-country engineering firm called Access Group. We're well advanced on both our mine and concentrator plant designs, and we're targeting a final investment decision in Q4 of this year and production in H2 of 2026. Our HM grade truly is a massive outlier at 17.6% HM. Prior to Captial Metals, I was overseeing 4 mines in the United States. They had HM grades of less than 2%. To put that into perspective, at 2% you need to move 6 million tonnes to produce 120,000 tonnes of heavy mineral concentrate, some 10 times more than the 550,000 tonnes that we need to move to produce 120,000 tonnes. And given the cost of moving a tonne of sand, that grade drives down our OPEX. It also drives down our CAPEX with a much smaller plant. We see higher recoveries on the back of the higher grade, and the mining has a lower environmental footprint simply because you need to move less sand. So all of this drives simplicity and lowers our risk. I mentioned before our current drilling program, and it gives us every reason to be excited about a massive increase in our existing resource. Our existing resource is only to 1.6 metres, and that's because we were doing it with hand auger, which can only go down to the water table. Our current air core drilling program is seeing mineralisation to depths of 15 metres and grades as high as 60%. The resource is certainly open at both depth and inland, and further resource expansion will occur from optimising our atypically high 5% cut-off grade down to approximately 2%. All of this is expected to result in a significant increase in our resource, which already supports a 10-year mine life. This diagram illustrates our staged approach, with mining starting at 550,000 tonnes per annum and moving to 1.65 million tonnes per annum. Processing for stage 1 is a wet concentrator plant to produce a heavy mineral concentrate, with stages 2 and 3 being the development of a mineral separation plant. Here's a snapshot of the 3D model that's been produced by Mineral Technologies, and it shows the simplicity of our stage 1. And the concentrator, as you can see in this image, has only 48 spirals, which can produce, in the case with our high grade, of over 200,000 tonnes of HMC per annum. We're extremely excited about the recent Ambient investment, a significant strategic investment by a Sri Lankan-based group. Not only are we the most advanced project in Sri Lanka, but we now have the perfect partners to take us into production. The Ambient investment will provide funding well past our final investment decision, and the signed MOU provides a pathway to fund stage 1 and take us into positive cash flow. What perhaps is more beneficial are the strong relationships that Ambient hold within Sri Lanka and the knowledge of how to succeed in country. So in summary, while other companies are taking on higher risk, lower grade projects, higher CAPEX projects, we're looking at a lower complexity, lower costs, because our grade truly is king. We continue to de-risk the project, we're well funded, and when you consider our base case NPV of 155 million, we're trading at a massive discount to our fundamental value. particularly when you consider that massive upside that will come from our current drilling program. So I encourage you to jump on board this exciting project as I did a year ago, and suggest that you go to our website or contact us for more information. Thank you.